Hey there, gadget enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel where we explore the coolest and most innovative tech toys on the market. Today, we're diving into some of the most exciting gadgets that will take your playtime to the next level. From the mesmerizing Flynova Pro to the versatile Airhogs Flight Rider and the jaw-dropping Terra sect rolling lizards, we've got it all covered. And that's not all. We'll also check out the educational powerhouse DJI Robomaster S1, the adventurous HHD H6 motorcycle folding RC drone, the unstoppable power tread all-surface vehicle, and the skill-testing Flipo Flip. So, buckle up and get ready for an action-packed video filled with thrills, tech, and tons of fun. Let's get started. The Flynova Pro, a high-tech flying spinner that's perfect for anyone looking to add a bit of excitement to their routine. This little device is not just a toy, it's a master of aerodynamics and modern engineering. The Flynova Pro is equipped with an intelligent flight system that makes it incredibly easy to control. Just give it a gentle toss, and it will start flying immediately. You can guide its path with simple hand gestures, making it feel almost like magic. It's designed to return to your hand like a boomerang, so you can impress your friends with your skills. One of the coolest features is the built-in LED light, which adds a mesmerizing effect, especially in low-light environments. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, the Flynova Pro promises endless entertainment. Plus, it's made from durable materials, ensuring it can withstand the occasional bump and drop. Perfect for all ages, the Flynova Pro can be a stress reliever, a fun break during work, or an exciting way to play with your kids. The Airhogs Flight Rider. This gadget is a unique hybrid, combining the thrill of a remote-controlled motorcycle with the excitement of a flying drone. It features an innovative design that allows it to seamlessly transition from driving on the ground to soaring through the air with the push of a button. Equipped with advanced gyro stabilization, the Flight Rider ensures smooth and stable flights, making it easy for both beginners and experienced pilots to control. Its durable construction means it can withstand crashes and rough landings, so you can push it to its limits without worry. One standout feature is its dual-mode capability. On the ground, it handles like a high-speed motorcycle, offering sharp turns and fast acceleration. In the air, its 4 rotors provide impressive lift and maneuverability, allowing for flips, barrel rolls, and other aerial stunts. The Flight Rider also comes with a user-friendly remote control, giving you full command over its movements. With a range of up to 200 feet, you have plenty of space to explore and perform tricks. Imagine a toy that's as versatile as it is thrilling. Meet the Terra sect rolling lizards. These incredible gadgets are not just your ordinary remote control toys. With a design inspired by lizards, they offer a unique rolling and transforming action that will leave you and your friends amazed. The Terra sect rolling lizards can seamlessly switch from a flat, rolling mode to an upright, twisting action. This dual functionality allows it to navigate various terrains with ease, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor adventures. The lizards feature a durable, segmented body that flexes and rolls, enabling them to conquer obstacles and perform incredible stunts. One of the coolest aspects of the Terra sect rolling lizards is their 2.4 GHz remote control, providing precise handling and control from a distance. Whether you're racing with friends or tackling challenging courses, this gadget delivers a fun and interactive experience. Equipped with LED lights, the Terra sect rolling lizards are not only functional but also visually stunning, especially in low light conditions. Perfect for kids and adults alike, the Terra sect rolling lizards are a must-have for any toy enthusiast looking for excitement and innovation in one package. DJI Robomaster S1. The DJI Robomaster S1 is an advanced educational robot designed to spark creativity and problem-solving skills. Equipped with intelligent sensors, this gadget offers a comprehensive learning experience in AI, engineering, and robotics. The S1 features powerful brushless motors, four-wheel drive, and a flexible chassis, allowing it to move fluidly in any direction. With its FPV camera, users can enjoy a first-person view and control the robot in real time, making it perfect for competitive games and exploration. The robot's programming interface supports Scratch and Python, offering both beginners and advanced users the chance to code and customize their S1. Overall, the DJI Robomaster S1 is not just a toy, but a powerful learning tool, blending entertainment with technology to inspire the next generation of innovators. The Flipo Flip skill toy, the Flipo Flip, the ultimate skill toy designed to test and improve your dexterity and coordination. This little gadget might seem simple, but don't be fooled. It's packed with endless possibilities for tricks and challenges. The Flipo Flip is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability even through the most intense flipping sessions. Its unique design allows it to flip and stand on nearly any surface, making it perfect for practicing at home, the office, or even on the go. The toy is not only fun, but also beneficial for improving hand-eye coordination, focus, and fine motor skills. Plus, it's a great stress reliever. Flipping it back and forth can be incredibly satisfying and calming. The Power Tread All-Surface Vehicle. The Power Tread All-Surface Vehicle, a revolutionary gadget that takes your driving experience to the next level. This versatile vehicle is designed to tackle any terrain with ease, from smooth indoor floors to rugged outdoor landscapes. Its unique tread design provides incredible traction, allowing it to climb over obstacles and navigate through tricky paths effortlessly. The Power Tread isn't just about power, it's also about customization. You can create your own track using the included modular track pieces, giving you endless possibilities for new challenges and adventures. With its powerful motor and durable construction, this vehicle can handle high speeds and tough impacts, making it perfect for both casual play and intense races. The Power Tread All-Surface Vehicle is a must-have for any gadget enthusiast looking for a high-performance, all-terrain experience. It combines power, versatility, and fun in one exciting package. Jump Stunt Shot RC, the ultimate thrill-seeker's dream in remote-controlled racing. This sleek and agile RC car isn't just for racing, it's built for jaw-dropping jumps and mind-blowing stunts. With its durable construction and powerful motor, it's ready to conquer any terrain you throw at it. Whether you're tearing up the backyard, hitting the ramps at the park, or competing with friends on custom tracks, the Jump Stunt Shot RC delivers adrenaline-pumping action every time. Its high-speed capability and precise controls make it easy for both beginners and seasoned RC enthusiasts to perform epic stunts and master challenging maneuvers. Plus, with its responsive handling and durable build, you can push the limits without holding back. Whether you're a thrill seeker looking for your next rush, or simply love the excitement of remote-controlled racing, the Jump Stunt Shot RC is guaranteed to deliver hours of fun and excitement. H6 Motorcycle Folding RC Drone. The HHD H6 Motorcycle Folding RC Drone is a gadget that's perfect for both thrill seekers and tech enthusiasts. This versatile device combines the excitement of a motorcycle with the cutting-edge technology of a drone, offering a unique experience unlike any other. The H6 is equipped with a high-definition camera that delivers stunning aerial footage, making it perfect for capturing breathtaking views or your adventurous rides. With its folding design, it's incredibly portable and easy to carry, ensuring you can take it with you anywhere. One of its standout features is the dual-mode operation. You can seamlessly switch between riding it as a motorcycle and flying it as a drone. The intuitive controls make it user-friendly, so even beginners can enjoy the fun without a steep learning curve. Safety is a priority with the H6. It includes features like altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key return, ensuring a stable flight. Whether you're looking to capture stunning aerial shots or enjoy a thrilling ride, the HHD H6 Motorcycle Folding RC Drone is a must-have gadget. It's the perfect blend of innovation and fun, making it a great addition to your collection. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed learning about these awesome gadgets, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below on which gadget you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.